honorable ministers, chief guest, president and committee members of Kuvempu Pratishthan, president and committee members of M. Chandrasekhar Pratishthan, all the distinguished guests and friends. I apologize for not speaking in Kannada. क्षमस्व, माफ़ी मांगू छूँ, क्षमा चाहती हूँ. Let me begin by saluting the free and fearless voices of the Kannada language. The very idea of weaving a rich and vibrant tapestry of the regional languages of our great nation is beautiful. And the concept of knitting India through our languages is brilliant. I would have loved to learn Kannada, and had I been in Ahmedabad, a city like Ahmedabad or Mumbai, I would have definitely learned Kannada and Bangla. These are the two languages that I would love to learn. But unfortunately, I come from a very small place, and that facility of learning different languages was not given to me. So I am extremely sorry for definitely not speaking in Kannada. Yesterday, we celebrated the International Mother Language Day. It is through our mother language that we can get closer to our roots, ideals, and traditions worthy of preservations. The visionaries of Rashtrakavi Kuvempu Pratishthan and Sri M. Chandrasekhar Pratishthan have proved that the written words of truth, wisdom, courage, and compassion, and also resistance are immortal. They are immortal because today I remember Shivram Karanth, I remember Masti, I remember you are Anantamurthy, I remember Girish Karnad, I remember P. Lankesh, and I also remember Gauri. These are the voices, they have always inspired me. And of course, Kuvempu, who always said, go boundless, seek no rest, and do not build a nest. So here I am from Gujarat. At some point of time, the spinning wheel had been the identity of my region. And so today, I have brought the thread of my mother language to add to the tapestry that is being woven here. I thank the Kuvempu Pratishthan and Sri Chandrasekhar Pratishthan for giving me the opportunity of adding the thread of my mother language, that is Gujarati, to the colorful weaving patterns of our regional languages. And to end my very short speech, right from the beginning, I requested Shri Agrahara Krishnamurti ji that I am afraid of all formal functions. I am also afraid of so many things that we have to accept during the process. But today, I am so deeply touched by the love and respect shown to me, not to me, but it is to my language. It's a respect for my language, for the region from which I come. And so I thank you all of you, for being here and listening to me. Thanks a lot.